Hello and welcome back. As you can see in the background, we're almost finished with our shop upgrade. One thing that is still missing is some sort of an organizer for the long clamps, and that's what we're going to do today. I began this project by knowing all materials and tools that I thought I would need for this project on my work table. I placed one of the clamps on the pine backing board and marked locations for drilling on the board. Since pine's quite soft, it was quite easy to make indents with the copper pipe. I then used a Forstner bit with the same diameter as the copper pipe to make the locations that I would drill into later on. I took rough measurements from the board as well as the clamps to give me an idea of how long each copper pipe had to be. The idea would be to have a tool holder that can hold 4 clamps. Everything more than that would be too heavy, I think, anyways. The clamps have V-notches which make it very easy to hold round stock. That came in very handy when I cut the pipe into segments. After all segments were cut, I removed the burr with a deburring tool and gave the ends a light sanding. That will make it easier for the glue to stick later on. I used my pull saw to cut the backing board to length. I know I said it before, but I really like how clean and fast those saws cut. I used a Forstner bit with the same diameter as the pipe to cut 3 holes completely through the board, which wasn't much of a problem because pine's quite soft and it goes through like a hot knife through butter. After that I did a dry fit and placed the clamps on the holder to see if everything fit the way I wanted it to. Since everything was alright, I mixed up some 5-minute epoxy and applied it to the holes I had drilled earlier. I then inserted the copper pipes with the ends that had been sanded before. Sanding will make for a better bond with the epoxy. I removed the excess glue and then used my square to ensure all the segments were straight before setting the piece aside to let the glue cure. Since I did it in every video in the last few days, I'm not going into much detail with the French cleats. Just watch one of the older videos and I'll tell you everything you need to know. And that's it. As you can see, it's not pretty, but it works. It gives me quick access to the clamps and I hope it holds up, but time will tell. If you like this video, please leave a like, a comment and subscribe. Thank you very much and bye bye.